Filipinos are creative and talented in terms of art. Many Filipinos are well-known painters and sculptors. In the province of Bulacan, there lived a 78-years-old historian sculptor named Apolinario Paraiso Bulaong, or popularly known as Kainar. Being artistic runs in their blood, his father is a former plowmaker and wood sculptor. He was then studying painting in UP Diliman School of Fine Arts when his professor and mentor Guillermo Tolentino advised him to shift in sculpting.
Professor Guillermo Tolentino na taga Malolos yun, taga Sabita lang. Ngayon, na naging active din namin ng fine arts sa UP. Pero ako, ang talagang major ko, painting. Nung makita niya yung mga project ko tungkol sa sculpture, talagang pinagpayuhan ako na magsimpi ka sa sculpture. Kakaunting mo ko
Nominated as National Artist in 2001, Kainar still managed to do carvings and sculptures even though his eyesight is poor. Among of his works are the murals in Bulacan, Bulacan, murals in Marcelo H. Del Pilar Shrine, the freedom fighters placed in Camp Aguinaldo, Jesus Christ's Scourging, the Raha Sulaiman Trophy, the FAMAS Award Trophy, and his best work, the monument of General Gregorio del Pilar enshrined in Tirad Pass.
Bakit po kayo sa tingin niyo may mga artist po na kahit gaano po sila kagaling, minsan po hindi po sila na-appreciate?
Pagkabalakas ka sa media, sa mga galing ang PR mo, ayun, talagang napopromote ang artist sa kayong trabaho. Pero pagka wala ka access, siyempre kailangan dyan na connection, kailangan na influence.
For those who wants to follow Kainar's path,
Kailangan talaga meron kang talent for sculpting, sa pagpuporme ng mga pintura, at kailangan matyaga kang talaga, mayari medyo kailangan ng hard work, medyo matrabaho ang sculpture. Hindi pa.
this artistic Kainar is really a pride of Bulacan in the whole Philippines. Together with Jennifer Heron and Chrysal Ansichon, this is Zaira Fajardo for Artistic.